just share a little bit of information about their company. So the company was founded in 1993. They have about 2,800 employees, and the factory is about 72,000 square meters. It is really huge, and I believe you can see that video rolling right now. But as you watch this video rolling, I just want to mention more things. So the company is committed in building a platform with IP as their core, from animation, toys, baby products, film, television, licensing, media, games, location-based entertainment, and so on and so forth. So based on your requirements, this company can actually provide that to you. Now, the company is also ISO 9001 certified, and the products also comply with European and United States standards such as EN71, ASTM, F963. All their products, all their SKUs, of course, they all pass with the European and United States or North America standards, such as the EN71, ASTM, F963. They also have, what do you call this? They also have certification from Walmart, factory capability and capability to audit. They also have the IETP certification. They also have the BSCI certification and all that stuff. So this factory actually complies with all the standards and certifications. All right, so now we're in the production line. We're in one of their workshops, and it's so busy. And if you see the B-roll, guys, you can see like everybody's in uniform and everybody is working in synchronization and in harmony. And I want to feature one thing though, because I'm a big fan of this cartoon and I picked this specifically. So what we have here is the production line for the Super Wings, Dizzy specifically, Dizzy, right? So like you can follow me. So it starts from the first step here, so it all goes around. So the production line from the step 1 until the end, the rivets, the screws, the assembly of the plastic, and it goes like a conveyor and goes around with these employees. So at the end of this process, actually we'll end up here. All right, so this is Dizzy. It's also one of the product line from the Super Wings. So this part is the last step where it's actually manually inspected. So not only they have the lab testing, even in the production line, each production line actually have their own quality inspection as well. So this is good to go. It's ready for packaging. And I see several doors here, and this long hallway actually shows that all these different rooms actually are testing labs, from mechanical and physical testing lab to flammability testing. And I can see a different certification from CNAS. They have the CNS approved, CNS approved, all these. Of course, they have the most. They have the live testing. I like also to mention that this factory, their testing lab, is one of a kind here in Chiang Mai. So behind me is a team of very talented and very experienced designers. Not only that, they have their own designs and brands or proprietary brands, they can also do this for you because they can also do OEM for your specifications for your brand.